these things are and what they mean. So, I want you to tell me what the serving size is on each of your containers. Yes, ma'am?
1/4 of a cup.
1/4 of a cup. Okay, Tanner, what is the serving size on yours?
8 gallons.
I'm not sure if 8 gallons is right. 8 grams. That's 1 tablespoon or 8 grams. Nice try. Okay, what is the serving size on yours?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. Okay, so you tell me how many calories there is in 1 serving of yours? 110 calories in 1 serving. What about yours?
30.
30. And?
39.
Okay, how many sugars are there in that serving?
Like carbs.
Sugars. Let's see. Sugar.
24 grams.
24 grams of sugar.
23 grams.
23 grams of sugar. And, Tanner, does yours have any sugar in it? Nope, no sugar. Okay, and let's look at the fat. There's a total fat, a saturated fat, and a trans fat. There's other fats too, but those are the 2 main fats. The saturated fat, that's the bad fat. The trans fat, that's the fat that's not so bad. So, tell me how many total fat you have in yours.
0.
0 fat. So is that a good, healthy food?
Healthy.
Healthy according to fat. It may have a lot of sugar in it. We'll look at that in a minute. Okay? You have 0 fat. What about you? 0 fat. So according to the fat content, all of your food is healthy. But let's look at the sugar again. How many sugars do you have? 24 sugars. So there's a lot of sugar in it, but there's not fat. So that way, you are a little sugar heavy, but not too much in the fats. Okay? You have how many sugars? 24. So this syrup and her, what do you have? And her cranberry sauce have the same amount of sugar in it. I know. And your cornstarch has how many sugars? No sugar. Okay? Let's look at the Mentos. Let's look at this candy. This candy has 0 fat and 2 sugars in it. So a Mento candy is healthier than strawberry syrup and cranberry sauce. Wow, we just learned something, didn't we? But there's no nutritional value to the Mentos. And we have to look and see. There's vitamin D,